What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jenyfromdablok, and I'm back on the block with another YouTube video because you know I got y'all, period. Alright, so today I'm back again with an unboxing video because y'all know I got you. And you know your girl had to upgrade, you know, from shooting on the phone to shooting on the camera, period. Oh my God. So recently I invested in a camera and it just came today, so I wanted to show y'all what it looks like and how it looks and how good the quality of the videos and how I'm about to be blessing your feed every day. Okay. All right, so I got this camera from Amazon. Before we get into it, I'm gonna just tell you the price. So this camera was $1,200 plus tax, and the name of the camera is a Canon EOS M6 II. Listen, I had to memorize that because listen, but this camera is bomb, like the bomb.com boo. I'm gonna show y'all the quality like halfway through the video, but right now we're gonna go down to unboxing this. Alright, before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below videos you want to see, and make sure you watch the whole video for clear skin, period. Can you tell I'm like Joe? Because I am. And again, I just got my nails done, and if I keep going like this, it's because I haven't got them done in months. So you know your girl feeling so lovely, you know me? Alright, so boom, I kind of opened it already because we had to make sure it didn't have the virus or you know whatever it came in it. We had to make sure before we show it to my babies, because you know, yeah. Alright, so I already opened it. They delivered it today and we ordered it like yesterday. So yeah, and well, it was $1,200 without the shipping and stuff, but the camera by itself is $800, and because it has a lot of stuff in it, that's why it's $1,200. When you open the box, it has a little bag, little bag for me. It says Ultimax on it, and it's black because you know black, you can never go wrong with black. It has hella pockets where you could fit everything. I mean, it was made for the camera to protect your camera and everything else, your mic, your speaker, your little accessories. This is how it looks like. It looks like on the inside. Little ass smart. But yeah, this is how it looks, and you can fit everything in here. It has a little side part for your water, but I recommend you don't do that because you don't want to mess up the camera when your little water bottle open, because Satan be at work. All right, and then they have this little balloon thing. I hope my neighbors don't think it was a gunshot. Sorry. All right, anywho, so the next thing we got in here is, of course, it has a travel charger. So I don't know how I'm gonna open this. I ripped it, but oh well. It comes with this charger. I'm trying to show you as best as possible, not wasting time, because like who want to sit here the whole day watching this. But it comes with this little thing that you could charge in a car. Yeah, to be able to charge your camera in a car. And then it comes with this little plug thingy, so you could charge outside of your house. And this is like a rapid charger, so that means it charges really fast. So just in case you're recording a video or taking pictures and it dies, it could really charge fast, okay? Also, it comes with this little texting, get 50% of your money back, test, whatever it is. But it's a little card thing that comes with it. They wanna, like for reviews and stuff. And we have this little pouch thing, which is for the XD thing, the XD card, of course, where you put the videos and pictures you take. And it comes with this little pouch, Y'all feel me, because y'all can see it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But it comes with this thing, so you could put it in, and I feel like that's really cool, because like nobody want to mess up their equipment. And then, mind you, this is really expensive. So it also comes with a lifetime warranty thing. Yeah, if you've seen this dimple, I grew it out of nowhere, and I don't know how it happened, so don't ask me. Okay, but it comes with this. It gives you this lifetime warranty card, so just in case you mess it up, you'll go get you a new one. You know, they better have put that in there, because boo, that's too expensive to not. And then it comes with the lens, boo. The lens, period. It comes in a little bag. Okay, this is sexy. This is, you see this, boo? Okay, who you know? Who you know? Please tell me. I'm gonna be waiting. Tell me down below in the comments who you know. Okay? Call this a glow up, because we did glow up, period. It has another lens, of course. Alright, so the lens is heavy duty construction, anti-reflection coating, wide angles is 0.43x. You know, it helps you take good quality pictures, and you can zoom in and all that. So this is how the other one looks like. And mind you, I don't really know a lot about cameras, so I'm trying here, but that's how it looks like. And it's really sexy. Like, what? I'm gonna be sleeping with this next to me, boo, because this is top 5. All right, so the next thing, I'm trying to go as fast as possible, because all right, come on now. The next thing that comes in here, I haven't opened any of this, so I'm trying to open them while going, and it's not cooperating because I just got my nails done. And I'm ripping every box, which I'm probably gonna need. I hope I'm not gonna need these boxes, but listen. All right, so the next thing that comes in here is this little bag that comes with these little rings that goes around the lenses and stuff. It's all packaged. This is really nice that it gives you like bags for your stuff, so you don't mess it up. It comes with these rings, I guess, that goes around the lenses, so you can like put on a camera thing. This has the little purple thing. Ooh, baby, you said quality, because this I like this. I love it. All right, the next thing that comes in here are these Pro HD series macro close-up lens set. So it's a lens set, and I guess it's clearly close up. It makes you like shoot stuff from afar, I guess, but I'm ripping everything. All right, so it comes in this little bag too, and it's like lenses that makes you like, they're like a little bumpy. You know how the lenses you used to read, that's how it looks like, it feels like. And it's like 5 of them or 4. This is really cool that it comes in like their little patches, so you don't like mess them up. So that's really good. All right, so the next thing that comes in here are these. Yeah, are these, I do not know. Oh, all right, so boom. This is a card reader and a USB. A card reader and a USB. This is like really nice. I like the color and the card reader. And then the next thing in here, which I don't know, I'm not gonna pretend I know, but it's like a lens thing. I'm trying to figure this out just like y'all, so bear with me. What is this? Oh, it's an HFL pen. Like a little pen thing, and it has like a light on right here. That's cool. I didn't know that came in here. And these are stuff you use to clean. So if you're a Ghanaian, you're probably gonna know what I'm talking about, but this looked like a bentoa. What is this? If you're from Ghana, you know what I'm talking about. And I'll put a picture up here, but what's all this? These are stuff you use to clean it, I guess, to blow like the stuff out. If you know what these are, make sure you comment down below, because I'm still learning how to, you know, these beads and stuff. And then the next thing that comes with it are the stuff you put your hands through to like do the little recording thing. If you know, you know. But yeah. Alright, next thing in here are these digital slave flash. What's a slave flash? Oh, so it like makes you not have a shadow when you take pictures. So that's really bomb. This is how it looks like. It's like a little light thing that comes on top of your camera. And then it has the thing that you put it on. That's really cool to like adjust it. So we love that. So this is how, when you take a picture, I'm trying to show y'all, but bear with me. I might put a picture in there because y'all can't really see, but when you take a picture without it, that's how it looks like. And when you take a picture with it, that's how it looks like. So that's really cool. All right, the next thing that comes in here is a tripod, boo. I love that it comes with a tripod. And it comes in a little baggy thing, so you could put it on your back while walking and stuff. Am I gonna far from the camera or I'm chilling? Ooh, we love this. All right, so the next thing that come in here is a V30 Pro directional condenser shotgun video microphone. All right, I opened it and listen, I'm cold as a lamb with no hair. If you ever see me in the forest fighting a grizzly bear, help the bear, cause that bitch gonna need it. All right, listen, take my TikTok off my phone because I be on there too much. All right, oh my god, this is so pretty. I wish it was like purple or pink. So nah, I know they can't do that, but like this is bomb.com. So basically what you do with this is you put it over your camera. I mean, not your camera, you put it over your you put it over your whatchamacallit, your microphone. And alright, so it comes with these little paper things that I just dropped and I don't feel like picking up, but this is how it looks like. 1 2 mic check, 1 2 mic check. This is how it looks like, and this is really cool. I love it. You turn it on and off. Alright, so I'm gonna put like the stuff on here, so in case you want to screenshot and read what comes in it, it's right there. Alright, so the moment we all been waiting for. Drum roll. The camera itself. This is what it comes in. So if I would have got just the camera with not everything else, this is how it would look like. I like the little box. But boo, get into it. Get into it, boo. Ooh. I might take a video and show y'all how it looks, the quality looks like, and insert it in there so y'all will know, or take a picture or something. But this is cool. So this, all right, listen, I haven't opened any of this, so I'm struggling, and I don't know what any of this is. So if you know what most of these stuff are, make sure you comment down below what they are and what to use them for, so you know your girl can learn faster. But this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's a little heavy, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not as heavy as other cameras, but boo, get into it. This is, yeah, like I've been wanting a camera for a long time, and I finally made enough money to buy it, and here we are. It comes with this too. Like I said, I don't know what most of these are, so, and it comes with a little strap thing. So I'm gonna just read them to y'all because I don't know what any of this is. Okay. It comes with this little lens and it said Canon on it. I hope I didn't break it. Ooh. Ooh, this is tough. Alright, and the last thing in the box, well, the last but the least, of course, is this thing. Let me open it so you can see. It comes with this too. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see more of me and if you want to see more quality videos since we got a camera. And make sure you check out my other video because I'm doing a giveaway so you can enter. And comment down below if you know what most of these stuff are used for. Thanks for watching me. See you in my next video.